Rome, the Eternal City. A place where history whispers from every corner, where cobblestone streets lead you from ancient ruins to majestic piazzas, and where every meal tells a story. Whether it's your first visit or your 100th, Rome has a way of making you fall in love over and over again. In this video, we'll take you through the top 10 must-visit places in Rome, sharing useful tricks, local insights, and the best spot to savor authentic Roman flavors. By the end, you'll be ready to explore Rome like a true local, while capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Let's begin our journey through the heart of Italy. Number 10. Piazza Navona. Piazza Navona stretches across the site of an ancient Roman stadium, and today stands as one of Rome's liveliest and most beautiful squares. With its Baroque fountains, street artists, and cafes, it's perfect for wandering and people-watching. Visiting early in the morning lets you enjoy peaceful photos of the Fountain of the Four Rivers without the crowds. Soak in the Roman atmosphere by enjoying a coffee or gelato at one of the quieter side cafes. Number 9. Castel Sant'Angelo. It was built as Emperor Hadrian's mausoleum and resting place for subsequent Roman emperors. Its spiraling ramps and richly decorated chambers reveal centuries of history. During the Middle Ages, its strategic position near the Tiber River made it a vital fortress and military stronghold. By the Renaissance, it took on yet another role, a papal refuge. Popes used a secret fortified passageway, the Passetto di Borgo, to escape to the castle during attacks or unrest. Other parts became prisons that held political enemies and historical figures. Now a museum, Castel Sant'Angelo is a unique symbol of Rome's endurance. Number 8. Pantheon. The Pantheon is one of the greatest engineering feats of the ancient world. Its massive concrete dome, still the largest unreinforced dome on Earth, has stood for nearly 2 millennia. Arriving early lets you experience the peaceful beauty of sunlight streaming through the oculus, illuminating the interior like a natural spotlight. Afterwards, the piazza outside offers a timeless spot to enjoy a cappuccino and admire the Pantheon from a different perspective. Number 7. Trevi Fountain. According to Roman tradition, tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain guarantees your return to Rome. The coin must be thrown with your right hand over your left shoulder while your back is facing the fountain. Over time, 2 more meanings were added. 2 coins. You will fall in love with an Italian. 3 coins. You will marry the person you love. Each night, the city collects thousands of euros from the fountain and are donated to charity. The surrounding streets are filled with artisanal gelaterias, making it the perfect moment to indulge in a creamy Italian gelato as you wander onward. Number 6. Spanish Steps, Piazza di Spagna. The Spanish Steps connect the bustling Piazza di Spagna to the elegant Trinità dei Monti church above. The staircase became a symbol of international cooperation between Spain, France, and Rome, blending politics, art, and architecture into one grand structure. Over the centuries, the steps became a gathering place for artists, poets, and travelers seeking inspiration. In the 19th and 20th centuries, they were a hotspot for painters and writers, helping turn the surrounding area into a fashionable, bohemian district. Today, they remain a vibrant meeting point, a backdrop for films, and one of the most photographed spots in the city. The streets around the square are lined with boutiques and cafes, and wandering the smaller alleyways often leads to hidden gems and charming views. Number 5. Piazza Venezia and Vittoriano Monument. Piazza Venezia is the crossroads of Rome, busy, grand, and full of energy. Dominating the square is the Vittoriano Monument, built to honor Italy's first king, Victor Emmanuel II. Taking the elevator to the top terrace offers breathtaking 360-degree views of Rome. Exploring the surrounding streets reveals overlooked architectural treasures, atmospheric side alleys, and inviting trattorias serving traditional Roman dishes. Number 4. Campo de Fiori. Campo de Fiori is one of Rome's most vibrant squares. By day, it hosts a bustling market filled with fresh produce, flowers, and local products. By night, it transforms into a lively gathering place lined with bars and restaurants. Visiting in the morning allows you to experience the market at its most authentic, and wandering the side streets leads to family-run restaurants that offer far better food and prices than tourist spots. Number 3. Roman Forum. The Roman Forum was once the heart of ancient Rome, the center of law, politics, religion, and daily life. It served as the stage for pivotal moments in Roman history. Julius Caesar's body was publicly cremated here after his assassination, and many of Rome's most influential monuments, like the Temple of Saturn and the Arch of Septimius Severus, still stand as reminders of the city's power. Walking through the ruins today means walking along the very ground where the Roman Republic and later the Roman Empire shaped the politics, law, and culture that still influence the world today. A combined ticket with the Colosseum and Palatine Hill makes exploring the historic area seamless and cost-effective. Number 2. Colosseum. The Colosseum is not only Rome's most iconic monument, but also one of the greatest structures of the ancient world. Built in 70 to 80 AD, it was the site of gladiator battles, animal hunts, and extravagant public games that shaped the identity of the Roman Empire. The underground tour reveals the chambers where gladiators prepared for battle and exotic animals were kept, an unforgettable look into its dramatic history. Visiting right at opening or just before closing provides softer lighting, fewer crowds, and the chance to capture the amphitheater glowing in the golden hour. Number 1. Vatican City and St. Peter's Basilica. Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, holds immense historical, religious, and artistic significance. St. Peter's Basilica stands as a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture, built over the burial site of St. Peter himself. The Vatican museums contain one of the world's greatest art collections, culminating in Michelangelo's legendary Sistine Chapel ceiling. Booking tickets ahead is essential to avoid the long lines. Climbing to the top of St. Peter's Dome rewards you with one of the most breathtaking panoramic views in all of Rome, offering a true sense of the city's monumental scale and beauty. Visiting early or late helps you avoid the heaviest crowds, and respectful dress is required inside the basilica. Best food to try. No visit to Rome is complete without savoring its unforgettable cuisine. Roman carbonara, made with eggs, pecorino romano cheese, guanciale, and black pepper. Rich, creamy, and deeply flavorful. Best place to try it. Roscioli, one of Rome's most beloved restaurants, known for its perfectly executed traditional carbonara. Exploring smaller family-run trattorias away from major tourist attractions is one of the best ways to find authentic flavors at better prices. Rome is more than a city. It's a living museum, a place where every street corner tells a story and every meal is a celebration. From ancient ruins to vibrant markets, from iconic monuments to hidden alleyways, Rome leaves a mark on every traveler. Pack your curiosity, your walking shoes, and your appetite, and let the eternal city captivate you. Wander freely, savor deeply, and soak in every moment. Because Rome is a place where memories are meant to last a lifetime. Thanks for watching this travel guide from Can Travel, exploring the world one step at a time. If you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe.